Welcome to Wisdom Bag. Today, let's explore Bali and learn English.
This is my friend, Emily. She loves photography and travel.
And that is my nephew, Leo. He is very active today.
Are you guys ready? Let's go. We start from here.
Wow, the shore is so wide. It is perfect for a walk.
The sand is so white. I love walking on the shore.
Ray, look! The waves are getting bigger and bigger now.
Yeah, those waves look great for surfing, don't they, Leo?
Everything looks so blue at the horizon. It is truly beautiful.
That's right. The horizon is where the sky meets the sea.
Look! I found a tiny shell. It is a light pink color. That shell is so cute. Can I take a photo of it?
Hey, your shell looks just like the pattern on my shirt.
Haha, you are right. Your shirt is very beachy, Ray.
Oh, look! The tide is coming in. My feet are wet now.
The tide moves so fast. The water is much higher now.
I love the high tide. Let's splash some water together.
Having a vacation with you guys is so much fun today.
This is the best vacation ever. Bali is truly amazing.
Look at the people on the shore. Everyone is enjoying the sun.
Can we find some snacks? All this walking made me hungry.
There are some cool cafes near the shore over there.
Let's go. A fresh coconut would be great right now.
Shore, waves, horizon.
I Tumberpeel, we's Cactimau. We saw everything today, guys.
Don't forget my shell and the beautiful high tide.
The sunset is so beautiful. Look at the horizon now.
This is what I call a perfect vacation moment in Bali.
Group photo time. Smile, everyone. 1, 2, 3.
I hope you enjoyed our trip to Bali today. It was fun. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now, everyone.